above that, the dice.
Yeah, I'm looking. I see dice.
Yeah.
What's the significance of rolling a 20?
On a D20.
On a D20.
Well, there's a 1 in 20 chance of it happening.
Yeah, and
Fucking kill me, Dan.
It kind of indicates something.
I need to bury my own grave out back.
yeah,
So okay. So it's essentially what's his face from One Punch, just doing a punch.
pretty much.
One Punch Man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Saitama.
D20 man.
Yeah. Satama.
D-
Satama doing a punch.
D20 man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The name
Nah,
of my D&D
nah,
So
character.
someone needs to now Photoshop that instead of his fucking just shiny bald head, his head is just the top
It's a
half
dice.
of a fucking D20. On top, 'tis a 20.
Well, there is the whole meme in World of Tanks of RN Jesus. Whether he's on your
RNGesus
side
is-
or he isn't.
I think it's specifically good arguments are normally solved and like they have proper answers to them. Bad arguments keep fucking coming back. That's why they're bad arguments.
No, it's just when people get really angry. It's humour value.
Yeah, what?
Jax,
Yeah.
let me reword this.
No, no.
If you were going to clean your floor with a device, what would you call the action?
Mopping.
No.
Wait,
No, you're not being specific enough because you need to say.
Yes, but if I say one or the other, then I'm erasing.
If you're
Echoing.
a device to suck stuff up off the carpet,
Ah, right, okay.
what is the action of doing that?
What is the action or what is the thing? Either or.
Oh. Yeah,
It's not a trick question. We're just.
but
trying
it's
to
not a
laugh
trick.
at
I know
people.
it's not a trick question, but like literally
What
in this
would you
household,
say?
we say both of hoovering or vacuuming. Like
Okay.
Which
genuine.
one would you choose? Which one would you choose?
I always say.
Okay.
I always.
One sec.
Yeah,
How
I'm
dare you
usually-
sit on the fence?
I know. You're going right up the arse crack.
Which one?
Hoovering.
Oh,
Yes!
well,
Fucking Stuart!
But anyway, see you for now.
Is that what you
Latest.
brought him back for?
Yeah.
I'd never
It's
bring me back
terrible,
just to
isn't
ask me a fucking about a vacuum cleaner. God
Ah,
damn.
there you go. You see, it's a vacuum cleaner.
We say both. That's why I just stated both here.
Yeah, you. But look, I told you he's a politician. He's playing for both sides. Get out of here. Get out of here.